What are the types of Facebook dropshipping? The social media platform provides 3 sales channels for dropshipping businesses: Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Shop, and Facebook Page Shop. People can do e-commerce trades on them and dropship with Facebook. Type 1. Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. Facebook Marketplace is a commerce space where users can buy and sell items directly. Online sellers can list items for sale. Type 2. Facebook Shop dropshipping. Launched in 2020, Facebook Shop is a storefront for Facebook and Instagram sellers. It has integrated with Shopify and is enabled to use dropshipping apps. Facebook Shops address mobile-first shopping experience. There are around 250 million active shops around the world. Type 3. Facebook Page Shop dropshipping. Facebook Page Shop is a feature that aims at e-commerce companies, enterprises, and advertisers. Businessmen can sell items relying on their Facebook business pages and work with dropshipping platforms. Friends, that was our today's video. If this video was helpful for you, please give a like, drop your comment below, and subscribe to the channel to get more future videos. Thanks for watching.